Hi guys, Rich Bassini, your YouTube blogger and creator. I just want to start by saying thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It is greatly appreciated. I hope you like the content and you come back for more. Today, I want to talk about adding more effects to Filmora 12. And for those who are wondering, this video is being created with Filmora 12. I will drop the link below if you guys want to check it out and download it. Folks, I don't think you're going to regret it. I think you're going to love it as much as I do, hopefully. No, I'm sure you'll love it. I think it's a great video editing software, especially if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel or you already have an established YouTube channel. You might want to check out Filmora 12. You got a free download over here, and you could buy it. They got, I think it's 3 different pricing. Let me see over here. Excuse me. Yeah, they got 3 over here. They got the annual plan for $49.99. They got the most popular one, limited time offer, 30% off. You get it for $59.99 for the year. And I have the unlimited one. I would recommend, if you really love it a lot like I do, get the perpetual plan. It's a one-time payment, and there you have it. You can check it out for yourself. All right, let's go back over here to this screen here where we were. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you could add different features, I should say effects, to your existing Filmora 12. I got quite a bit, and I'm going to show you how to get there. So let's go to Filmora 12. Okay, let's open it up. And as you can see here, that's my thumbnail I made for this video here. But I want to show you how to add more to it, okay? We could add a lot more to this here. And you see these little red dots up here? That means these are all new effects that I put in to the existing Filmora 12. Now, when you go to Filmora 12, let's go over here for a second here. They have a lot of different things. This is my media file here. That's where I keep all my stuff and my other, pitches and folders and stuff like that. A whole bunch of little things you can see. I keep a lot of things. I even keep some pictures of me in there as well. But they have a lot here, a lot more to offer. Okay, like for example, let's go to the stock media. Okay, we did that there. All right, you can see over here, they got the solid. They changed a lot. They did add a lot. They got solid colors here. They got the gradient colors, the green screen they got over here, motion graphics. These things here are pretty cool if you want to add something to your your video if you're creating it for the first time. This is pretty cool. This looks like a drone shot if you want to use this as an intro for your opening video or whatever. The other thing I do want to share with you guys is you see over here this little pink diamond here. These are the ones you're going to be paying for, folks, just to let you know, okay? With Filmora, Filmora Film Stock, I think it is, or yeah. Those are the ones you're going to be paying for. And how you're going to know that there is when you drop it on your timeline over there, right? It's going to download it. I'm not going to use it. It says over here you're using a paid effect for Filmora. Click purchase or try it before exporting. And you can hit purchase, you can hit the try feature to see if you like it, okay? So just keep that in mind. Me personally, I like the freebie stuff. But that's me. You guys might not, it might not bother you guys. You might want to, get it, whatever, and pay the price for it. But that's okay. But they have a whole bunch of different things here. They got the solid colors. They have the gradient colors. Okay, look at this here. All right, they got those there. What else? Green screen we did. Motion graphics. Look at that. They added a whole bunch of different ones. But also because I added effects too. Now, I don't want to get too much into this here. I just want to kind of keep this video as short as possible. I can't make any promises, but I just want to try to do the best I can with this here to get it out, to show you guys, for those who are Filmora 12 users, you can add more to it, okay? So what you would do is, like over here, right over here, where I click my little face on over here, you're going to see, it says over here, my license is unlimited, it expires unlimited here. You're going to see refer a friend, my effects, manage my account, and log out. We're going to go to my effects, okay? And there's 2 ways to get there. I'm going to drop the links below to show you, but let's click on my effects, okay? And it's going to load up over here. This is from Film Stock, and you're going to see the existing effects I just uploaded to my Filmora 12. Added more different features to it as well. I should say effects. Okay. Now, it's taking a little time because I have a lot of stuff loaded up. This is some of the stuff I did this morning, okay? You can see here, freedom to create, moonrise background, self-intro templates, a whole bunch of them. At least, well, according to this, it looks like there's 15 pages of it. They only put so much on a page, but you can see it says 1 of 15. Okay. Now, what you want to do, if you want to add more to it, go to View More. It's going to take you to this window. Okay. Now, when you come to this window, you're going to have all these different things. These are the ones that are right now showing these are some of the paid ones here because they got the pink diamond. If you look to the far left over here where my mouse cursor is moving, you're going to see premium library, standard library, and yes, the free library. What you want to do is you want to get the free stuff first. If you want to buy it, that's all right. You know, it's totally up to you. You would click. I like to click on the free stuff. You click on the free stuff. You could add all of these. I think I added just about all of them to my, you know, Filmora, my existing Filmora. And matter of fact, that's the new upgraded version. And anytime you want, let's go back to you. Anytime you want to know what version you have, let's get this over here. Just go to Help and go to About, and it'll tell you right here, version 12.1.0. Okay, that's the latest version. I think I downloaded it a day and a half ago, whatever, 2 days ago maybe. Okay, that's the newest version. Okay, so let's go back over here again, and you're gonna see all these with the green. You see my mouse cursor is? These are free. Okay. And they have a whole bunch of it, and a lot more since the time I was up, you know, adding more effects to my, you know, Filmora video editing software. But you can see they got a lot more over here. I don't know if you guys take note of this stuff, but I do. I check it out every now and then because they're adding more and more to it. So I downloaded a good majority of these here. All right. So as you can see here, they added quite a bit more. Okay. I downloaded quite a bit of this this morning, to be honest with you, but they did add more to it. Okay. I can see it already. Yeah, like this one over here. Now this one here must be something. I don't remember getting this one or this one here. I don't know. I don't remember having that there. Looks like they added some more since before I started this video. To me, it does anyway. Okay. And you know, you'll only get so many of them, but they're really good, nice effects. And if you want to see how they work, you know, like a preview of it. For example, let's click on Dragon Boat. Let's see what this is all about. Let's drag this, you know, going here. It's going to go to another page, as you can see. And then what you're going to do is you're going to see it's a free download. You can preview it before you actually even want to download it. Let's hit the preview. Now, I don't want to keep the music on because, like I said, I don't want to get any, I'm going to, you know, mute it. Okay. And you can see what it's all about here. Okay. And this is what you're going to have on there if you decide to download this here. All right. I downloaded a lot, but for me right now, I'm not going to do this here. But, well, maybe I will do this one here. I could always take it off later on. But I'll show you what it's like when you do it. Okay. When you click this on here, the free download, it's going to take you, open up another window. There we go. And what's going to happen is it's going to go into your film stock folder here, and you're going to see what it is right over here. So my mouse is, where you see the action. That's where it's downloading right now. Okay. Okay, so right now that is added, you know, that added effect is in my video editing software. And for some reason, if it gets corrupted or something happens, you hit the reinstall button, you could reinstall it again, okay? But I got a whole bunch of them. I did a lot this morning, okay? So that's how you would do that. Now, I'm going to drop the link to this here. And this one here, this one will make it a lot easier instead of going through it for more. But you should have it opened up anyway. So simple reason is it could download on there. But I'll drop the link to this as well. Now, they have up here on the effects that videos, audio, images, 3D, and theme. Okay. If we go to the audio, let's say you want to add something there. Okay. Again, you know, you could pick out jazz, pop, rock, country, electronics, and so on. Okay. Classical. I like classical, so let's click that on. Now with this here, again, you got to be careful. Not be careful in a bad way. Be careful that you're going to see some with the pink diamonds, and you know what the pink diamonds are. Those are ones you're going to pay for. To simplify it, just go over here and click free on the audio. Okay. And now you could pick any of these things out because they're free. You could add them to your music library. All right. So let's try this one here. Let's listen to it.
Film stocks. Okay,
the reason why I played at that for that length is when you heard the word film stock, I think people might get the impression that if I download them, am I going to hear that in my video? No, you're not. That's just telling you, you know, that's what it is, film stock. Now, if I like that there, very simple. You're going to hit the download button, right? You're going to download it. Windows should open up right over here. And I'm just going to put save as whatever, or just save, or you can even open it as well. But let's just put save. And it's going to be in this folder over here. It's going to be in the download folder. It's going to say over here, acoustic, happy folk. You're just going to hit the save button. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you want to implement that into your video editing software, you're going to go back over here and you're going to go to audio. Okay, when you go to audio, you're going to want to scroll down. You're going to hit music, and you want the one that says mine. I think my music. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry, guys. You're going to hit mine. Okay, and then you're going to hit my music. Okay, and then you're going to go to the import folder, right? And you're going to open that up, import media folder, and you're going to go to downloads. Well, at least that's how it is now. And you're going to see it's right over here. This is the one you want, acoustic. Click it on, and you're going to open, and it's, boom, there it is. So now when you go to your audio file, that will be there. Okay, they have some pretty good stuff there, some pretty good music as well. But again, that's how simple it is to add to it. I hope this video helped, and I hope you will add additional effects to your Filmora video editing software. It's for free. Why not? Try it out, right? All right, guys. I'll talk to you the next time. Again, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated when I post any videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassini signing off. I'll talk to you guys the next time. Bye-bye for now.